Welcome back to World Fame Stories. Today, we're diving into two electrifying stories making waves in the world of sports and entertainment. First, we'll explore the upcoming clash between Algerian boxer Imane Khelif and Hungary's Luca Hamori amid a storm of controversy and high stakes. Then, we'll shift gears to the world of romance as rumors swirl around pop superstar Taylor Swift and NFL star Travis Kelce's potential engagement. So, buckle up for a roller coaster of emotions, fierce competition, and love in the limelight. Imane Khelif, the formidable Algerian boxer, has been at the center of intense media scrutiny and speculation. Khelif's journey in the women's boxing event at the Olympics has been nothing short of dramatic. On Thursday, she delivered a stunning performance, causing Italy's Angela Carini to quit just 46 seconds into their preliminary match. This swift victory, however, was clouded by controversy. Khelif has been embroiled in a gender eligibility debate since being disqualified from the 2023 World Championships due to elevated testosterone levels, which failed to meet the eligibility criteria. Despite the disqualification, the IOC confirmed her eligibility for the Olympics, citing her passport as proof of her gender. Hungary's Luca Hamori is now gearing up to face Khelif in the women's welterweight quarterfinals on Saturday. Unfazed by the controversy, Hamori has made it clear she is ready for the challenge. "I'm not scared," she told reporters. "I don't care about the press story and social media. If she or he is a man, it will be a bigger victory for me if I win." Hamori's resolute focus and confidence stand in stark contrast to the swirling media narrative. Khelif's participation has ignited debates and criticism, with many labeling her a trans woman and questioning her place in the women's division. The IOC, however, has maintained that all competitors in the women's category comply with the competition's eligibility rules. Mark Adams, an IOC spokesperson, reiterated that Khelif is a woman according to her passport and meets the required criteria. The controversy took another turn when it was revealed that Khelif suffers from a rare condition categorized under differences in sex development, DSD, or intersex conditions. These conditions can result in female individuals having male chromosomes or anatomy. Despite the uproar, Khelif remains focused on her Olympic journey, entering the showdown after a relatively easy victory over Carini, who claimed Khelif's punches were the hardest she had ever encountered. Hamori, on the other hand, chooses to block out the external noise and focus on her preparation. "I'm trying not to use my phone before the fight," she said. "I don't want to care about the comments or the story or the news. I just want to stay focused on myself. I did it before my last two fights, so I think this is the key, and we will see." Her dedication paid off as she soundly defeated Australia's Marissa Williamson-Pullman in her last match. Meanwhile, Khelif's powerful performance has sparked both admiration and skepticism. Carini's withdrawal from their bout highlighted the intensity of Khelif's punches, which she described as unlike any she had experienced before. "I've never taken a punch like that. It's impossible to continue," Carini said. Despite her early exit, she left the ring with her head held high, acknowledging the unprecedented challenge she faced. Hamori remains undeterred by Carini's decision. "It was her choice," she said. "I don't understand, because I thought every boxer's mind is the same as mine, to never give up. But it was her choice. We don't know what was the reason. It's her life, but I know I want to do this in my own life." As the world watches, the upcoming quarterfinal match between Khelif and Hamori promises to be a riveting encounter, laden with tension, skill, and the relentless pursuit of Olympic glory. Shifting gears to the world of celebrity romance, Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce are reportedly on the brink of a significant milestone in their relationship. Insiders claim that an engagement between the pop superstar and the Kansas City Chiefs tight end is imminent. According to a report by Page 6, sources suggest that Kelce is ready to propose and has been meticulously planning the perfect moment to pop the question. The engagement is happening soon, one insider stated, fueling speculation just days after rumors circulated that the couple had already tied the knot in secret. Although a representative for Kelce denied any official engagement plans, the buzz around the couple's future continues to grow. Fans are eagerly anticipating an announcement as Swift and Kelce approach their first anniversary together. The speculation reached a fever pitch when it was reported that the wife of a top Chiefs executive was overheard discussing the couple's engagement at a Morgan Wallen concert in Kansas City. Whether this was an accidental slip or mere repetition of rumors remains unclear, but it certainly added fuel to the fire. Swift and Kelce's relationship first made headlines when Swift was spotted cheering for Kelce at a Chiefs home game in Kansas City. Since then, their romance has been under the public eye, with frequent sightings and shared moments that have captivated fans. Back in December, Page Six reported that Kelce was already shopping for an engagement ring and had even sought Swift's father's approval before planning his proposal. As Swift prepares for a brief break in August amid her European Eras tour, and Kelce gears up for the upcoming NFL season, the couple continues to balance their busy schedules with their deepening relationship. Despite the physical distance, they remain close, with Kelce making romantic gestures to show he's thinking of Swift even when they're apart. Football is definitely still his priority, but so is his relationship, a source said. He makes romantic gestures to show he's thinking of her when they're apart. She's going to try to attend as many games as possible. Kelce's admiration for Swift was evident during his appearance on the Buzzin with the Boys podcast, where he gushed about her genuine nature and support. "She keeps it so chill and so cool," he said. "She wants to be a part of it. She wants to support me. That's my girl, you know what I mean? That's my lady, so it's like, I'm proud of that." From the boxing ring to the red carpet, today's stories highlight the resilience, dedication, and passion of individuals who captivate the world's attention. Imane Khelif and Luca Hamori's upcoming bout promises to be a thrilling display of athleticism and determination, while Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce's blossoming romance keeps fans eagerly awaiting their next chapter. Stay tuned to World Fame Stories for all the latest updates on these compelling narratives and more. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.